Hey guys, this is my top 10 iOS 8.4 Cydia tweaks. There are some people that still run iOS 8.4, so this is for those people. So let's get started. First, we have Alkaline. This is basically for the battery indicator. It changes that, and let me just show you there. Do you see my battery indicators? They look different. You get three options: Habesha, Bolus, or Spots. So I currently have Habesha, but you could choose something else as well. And then the second tweak I have is AndroidLock XT. This one is kind of old, but it still works, so yeah. Okay, there, that's how you spell it. AndroidLock, and then space, and then XT. So you will have to get some repos for this, and some sources, but it's pretty good, the tweaks, so yeah, it's worth it. Or you could pay for it. That's how it works. It basically gives you the lock from Android and doesn't disable your passcode. You know, when you enter your passcode a lot of times, then it disables. So this, you could turn that off, and it won't disable no matter how many times you enter the password. So the third one we have is Beacon 2. Beacon 2. And this, basically what it does is this changes the you could change the background of when you're respringing or restarting your iOS device. Then you could change the background of your Apple logo color or the color of your Apple logo. So let me just give you an example of this. I've set it to blue, the background color, and the white Apple logo. So let me just respring here, and that's how it works. And it gives you a good effect, like a genie effect, like in the Mac when you open an application and when you minimize a window. Okay, so let's get to the fourth one. The fourth one is Blurry Badges. So this basically, when you get notifications from an app, it it changes the color of the notification on the app. Let me show you the spelling, and then I'm going to show you how it works. You could set it to any color you want, or you could make it random. So as you can see right there. That's how it works. Okay, so the fifth one I have is Bytafont 2. Bytafont 2, and this basically changes the font of your iOS device. So that's how you spell it, and let me show you an example. Just let it load here. Okay, so now I'm going to choose Ubuntu Lite for my font. And as you can see right there, the font is changed for the clock. And if you go into weather, then the font is kind of changed. Everywhere throughout the system, the font is going to be changed. So you could download many fonts and change them here and there. It's a pretty good tweak. Okay, let's get to the sixth one. The sixth one is Cobalia. And basically what this does is change when you go to multitasking, change the recent contacts to some features and some shortcuts. So it's pretty good. I don't like the recent contacts feature on the top, so I just use this. It's pretty easy to access all the features of your device, so yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, let's get to the seventh one. The seventh one is cylinder, and basically what this does is when you're turning from the screen 1 to screen 2, so it basically changes the design of how you're turning. That's how you spell it, and as you can see, like that. I've randomized it. I've set it to random, so it gives you a different turn every time. Okay, so the eighth one is GlowBadge. Let me just show you the spelling of this tweak, and let me show you an example now. Let me show you what features you have for that. You could set it to random colors. Basically, it glows your apps that have notifications, and you could set it to any color you want, or you could just randomize it. So as you can see, my mail app on the corners, it has a white glow, so that's what it does. You could set it to any color you want. You have a lot of colors over there, and as you can see, it changes. Okay, so the ninth tweak we have is called iCleaner, and if you're a person that downloads a lot of tweaks and uninstalls a lot of tweaks, and updates a lot of things, so I would recommend this because this cleans all the cache and all that stuff from your iDevice. So that's how you spell it. And iCleaner. Let me just show you how it works. So first you have to analyze it, so you can find the trash, and then you have to clean it. And then now it just tells you that how much memory and storage you could save, and it's gonna respring after these seconds, after 30 seconds. So now it's respringing. Okay, there we go. And then the 10th tweak we have is called NoSlowAnimations. Let me just show you the spelling. Okay, so that's how you spell it, no spaces. And let me show you what this does. Basically, when you're opening an app, it fastens the animations, and it goes right into that. And you can set the speed you want to go, fast or slower. So that's how that worked. And then I have a 10th tweak as well. I mean 11th tweak. It's a bonus. I know this video is about 10 tweaks, and this what it is. It's called Mirmir, M-I-R, no spaces. So you could open a window and you could do something else in the background as well. So it gives you a lot of options: zoom in, zoom out, and then just close out of the app. So guys, this is iGadgets here. Peace.